All right, Huawei Nova 11 4G phone. That's the camera module. So this is the Pro version. They have this kind of leather finish, but this is not the Ultra. Feels not bad. Let's take some photos. Portrait. Photo. Okay, let's change to another angle. So this is like 10 times, 5 times, 2 times main, ultrawide. And for the camera video recording, it supports 4K and 1030. I use the 1080 60 FPS most. So let's take some videos. Okay, Huawei. I feel the video is like not very smooth. I don't know why. Maybe it's better on computer. Okay, 4.8 times. Okay, and that is the design. Power key, volume rocker, top. Very normal phones, you know. Another color. This gives you kind of matte finish. And this, here, this is the fake one. Okay, this is the 11, and that is the Pro with the dual selfie camera. Where this only has one, you know, has one camera. The edge seems so good. Matte finish. Not matte finish, gives you this kind of glass finish. My first impression is very normal upgrade. No impressive features. They don't have that Ultra. So yeah, I don't know. Very normal phone. Are you buying Huawei phones anyway? Because they only have 4G, right? Anyway, very pitiful Huawei brand, you know. You know, someone just closed the door while my bike is here. You know, you see. So I have to go to another way. But anyway, that's the Huawei Nova. They don't have the Huawei Band 8. This is the Huawei Band 7. I wear it almost every day. But yeah, I will do an hands-on of the Huawei 8, Huawei Band 8 once I have time. But currently, that's it. That's for now.